In this video, I'm gonna explain how to trade bullish engulfing the right way. I made many different video how to trade bullish engulfing because this strategy work. It has 90% of accurate. And today, Thursday, December 11, the price open with gap down, and from here the price go down. We got a strong resist support level right here. Price dropped with three candle in row, and this candle right here in bold, the blue candle. This strong signal to enter in call because three red candle plus bullish engulfing even better. We got a strong support level below, it more relevance, and stall off always just below the same candle because we don't know what will happen next. For that reason, stall off always just below the same candle. If the price goes down against us, never, never refuse to stay in the position. The best way you can do is cut loss quickly or accept losses because losses is part of the game. And the worst you can do is put yourself off far away. Never, never, always just below the same candle, just below the same candle. Because if one more time, if the price goes against us, it's okay to lose a little bit money instead to lose a lot of money. This way, at the end of the trading day, you will finish the trading with harmony because you know for fact you did the right way. Okay, bullish engulfing. As said many times also, the price make average between 4 or 5 green candle in growth. Um, the best way to exit this trade it is I would say between 4 or 5 green candle because sometimes the price make four four green candle and tend to go down. Sometimes the price make 5 green candle and tend to go down again. For that reason, between 4 or 5 is okay. Nonetheless, today, yes, today 5 green candle it was the best way to take profit. I'm gonna make a little bit bigger. You can see the screen right here. Bullish engulfing, love just below 1, 2, 3, 4 green candle right here. It is 200% in profit. That that is a lot. X right here and be grateful because this is amazing business. This is a privileged business. Allow the business every single day. I say thank for the business because this business changed my life in the aspect of abundance. That's it. This is simple strategy to trade bullish engulfing. And what can I say? You trade bullish engulfing four times a month, only four times a month. You don't need to trade every single day. You need to wait for red dry bullish engulfing 3 or 4 times a month. That is a lot of profit. The only thing you need to develop patience to wait for the right, and in this case, bullish engulfing. And that's it. This is simple and sometimes bored because uh, this pattern repeat over and over again. And you need to be focused to detect this pattern when the pattern arrives in order to execute when the pattern appeared. And in this video right here, I don't want to make it too long because this trade is so simple. It has 90% accurate time for watch